Good morning, children. In today's class, we will start our new chapter, A Treat for Mosquitoes. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you? Asked Aarti. I am all right, Rajat replied softly. Jaskirat says, you must have played a lot while you were at home. Rajat replied to Jaskirat, who wants to play when you have fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. I even had a blood test. Jaskirat again asks, a blood test? Why? It must have been very painful. Rajat again replies, actually, when the needle pricked my finger, it felt like an ant bite. They took 2 to 3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria. Nancy says, but you get malaria when a mosquito bites you. Rajat, yes, but we found out by the blood test. Then the Jaskirat says, there are a lot of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I didn't get malaria. Nancy, who says that every mosquito bite causes malaria? Malaria spreads only by disease carrying mosquito. Aarti says, all mosquitoes look the same to me. Rajat, there must be some difference. Now, Nancy asks to Rajat, did they take the blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you? Rajat replied, of course not. I do not know when and where the mosquito bit me. Nancy, but how could they find out that you had malaria by your blood test? Do you think they could see something in the blood? Children, here you can see that Dr. Mariam is looking at the blood slide under the microscope. Microscope is an device which makes things look bigger, at least 100 times bigger than they are. The details inside the blood can be seen clearly. Children, blood is generally taken from our fingertip to find out we have malaria or not. Two types of blood film are taken for finding the malaria parasites. One is thick smear blood. It is used to determine if parasite is present or not. And second is thin blood smear. It is used to confirm the Plasmodium species present in the blood. As malaria is caused by a pathogen Plasmodium, then we confirm that in this blood Plasmodium is present or not. If Plasmodium is present in our blood, then result will be positive or we have the malaria.